The Hellenic Land Forces Logistics Command, Anotatis Strasiotiki Dioikisi Eposterixis Stratu, Land Forces Support High Command, announced the launch of 2 separate tenders for maintenance and technical support programs for the Leopard 2 main battle tank. These 3-year framework agreements cover the periodic maintenance and technical support of the tank's turret and main gun systems, as well as their fire control systems. The winning contractor in both tenders will be determined based on the lowest price criterion. The deadline for submitting bids is October 20, 2025. Therefore, the total project budget is not specified in the tender announcements. Greece has a large fleet of Leopard main battle tanks. According to Greek City Times, the Greek army has approximately 350 Leopard 2s and 500 Leopard 1s. In this context, the Leopard 2 tanks include the Leopard 2A6 Hell and Leopard 2A4 models, which were directly purchased from Germany and partly produced under license in Greece. Meanwhile, the most common Leopard tank in the Greek inventory is the Leopard 1A5. These tanks, with their 105mm guns, are still in active use but are undergoing various modernization programs. For example, the Leopard 1 Hell modernization package, developed in collaboration with the Greek defense company EODH and the German KNDS, aims to increase the tank's firepower, protection level, and mobility. This modernization includes replacing the existing 830 horsepower engine with a new 1000 horsepower engine, adding composite and cage armor, and integrating new fire control systems.